Question number 20. Four circuits are available for an electrical experiment. The internal resistance of the cell in each circuit is negligible. Okay. In which circuit will the current in the lamp be varied? Current in the lamp be varied by adjusting the variable resistor. You vary this resistor in any one of them, you see that the current here should be varying here. So, with which of them it's possible? Okay. Now, see, if I vary this one here, then lesser current or more current will flow here, so that the total current will get affected over here. So, definitely I always consider A to be right answer. But if you look at this, some people can argue with this also. If I vary this resistance over here, the current passing through this branch may increase or decrease. As a result of this, there could be a variation here also. But okay, the variation here would be much lesser in the bulb as compared to what you observe here. Okay, as a result of it, A could be the primary answer. But of course, okay, but this option could be incorrect if I make this R to be 0. If I make this R to be 0 in any one of these circuits, definitely all of them will show you random answers, random variables. So thus you can see the current here will change in everything over here. Okay, but anyway, if I consider for smaller changes, definitely A could be the right option.